Welcome back, finance enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a thrilling book that uncovers the hidden world of high-frequency trading and its impact on our financial markets. Yes, we're talking about Flash Boys by Michael Lewis. This isn't just a story about trading. It's a story about innovation, courage, and the relentless pursuit of fairness in a system rigged against the average investor. Stay tuned to learn how a few brave individuals took on Wall Street and won. If you've ever felt like the stock market is stacked against you, this is the story you need to hear. Flash Boys begins with a startling revelation. The stock market is rigged. But how? High-frequency traders, HFTs, use super-fast computers and sophisticated algorithms to gain an advantage over regular investors. They can buy and sell stocks in milliseconds, exploiting tiny price differences to make huge profits. It's a game where speed is everything, and the average investor doesn't stand a chance. Our journey starts with Brad Katsuyama, a trader at the Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. Brad notices something strange. Every time he tries to buy or sell a large block of stocks, the market moves against him. Prices change in the blink of an eye, making it almost impossible to execute trades at the expected prices. It's like the market can see him coming. Intrigued and frustrated, Brad starts investigating. He assembles a team of experts to help him understand what's going on. This team includes Ronan Ryan, a network infrastructure specialist, Rob Park, a software developer, and John Schwal, a trader with a knack for spotting market anomalies. Together, they dig deep into the mechanics of modern trading and uncover a shocking truth. High-frequency traders are using their speed to front-run orders and manipulate prices. Let's break this down for our personal finance audience. Imagine you want to buy a stock at $10. You place your order, but by the time it reaches the exchange, the price has jumped to $10.10. Why? Because HFTs saw your order coming and bought the stock ahead of you, driving up the price. They then sell it back to you at a higher price, pocketing the difference. This practice, known as front-running, is unfair and costs investors millions of dollars every year. Determined to level the playing field, Brad and his team decide to create their own stock exchange, one that is immune to the tricks of high-frequency traders. They call it the Investors Exchange, or IEX. The goal of IEX is simple: to provide a fair and transparent trading platform where all investors have an equal chance to buy and sell stocks without being preyed upon by HFTs. Building IEX is no easy task. Brad and his team face numerous challenges, from technical hurdles to resistance from the entrenched interests of Wall Street. They need to design a system that slows down high-frequency traders without disadvantaging regular investors. Their solution? The speed bump, a small delay that ensures all orders arrive at the exchange at the same time, negating the speed advantage of HFTs. But that's not all. Brad also has to convince institutional investors, brokers, and regulators to support IEX. He embarks on a relentless campaign, meeting with hedge funds, pension funds, and mutual funds to explain how the existing system is rigged and how IEX can fix it. It's a tough sell, but slowly, he starts to gain traction. People begin to see the value of a fairer market. For us, the lesson here is clear. Transparency and fairness are crucial in finance. Just like Brad and his team fought for a fairer stock market, we should strive for transparency and fairness in our own financial decisions. Whether it's understanding the fees on our investments, questioning the advice we receive, or seeking out ethical financial products, we can make choices that align with our values and protect our interests. As IEX gains momentum, the story takes another twist. The traditional exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, start to feel threatened. They launch a counter-campaign, spreading misinformation and trying to undermine IEX. But Brad and his team remain undeterred. They continue to push forward, driven by their belief in a fairer market. The climax of Flash Boys comes when IEX finally goes live. The launch is a success, and the exchange quickly attracts a large volume of trading. Investors flock to the platform, drawn by its promise of fairness and transparency. High-frequency traders can no longer exploit their speed advantage, and the market becomes more equitable for everyone. But the story doesn't end there. Flash Boys leaves us with a powerful message about the importance of integrity and the impact of individual actions. Brad and his team proved that one person or a small group of people can make a significant difference. They challenged the status quo, fought for what they believed in, and ultimately changed the financial industry for the better. So, what can we learn from Flash Boys to solve our own personal finance problems? Here are a few key takeaways. 1. Question the system. Don't take things at face value. Whether it's an investment product, financial advice, or market practices, always dig deeper and understand how it works. 2. Seek transparency. Look for transparency in your financial dealings. Choose investments and financial products that are clear about fees, risks, and returns. Avoid opaque or overly complex products. 3. Advocate for fairness. Stand up for fairness in your financial transactions. Whether it's negotiating better terms, challenging unfair practices, or supporting ethical companies, your actions can make a difference. 4. Collaborate with experts. Just like Brad assembled a team of experts to solve the mystery of high-frequency trading, don't hesitate to seek advice from knowledgeable professionals. Collaboration can lead to better financial decisions. 5. Stay persistent. Changing the status quo is never easy. Whether it's improving your financial situation, advocating for better practices, or pursuing your financial goals, persistence is key. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. In conclusion, Flash Boys is a fascinating tale of courage, innovation, and the quest for fairness in the financial world. It's a reminder that the financial markets, like all systems, are imperfect, but with determination and integrity, we can work to improve them. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Flash Boys by Michael Lewis. If you found this summary insightful and helpful for your personal finance journey, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep striving for financial fairness.